Yeah, this is Juan Kim. I'm a lecturer of the fluid mechanics. My site is www.geonphysics.com. The telegram is the academia@gmail.com. Okay. This is my solution, 5.110. This one. P is the. Wait a minute. P is the 90 foot side, P side, and A is the 20-inch, and F is the MA, and DTDMV, and P is the F for A, F is the AP, and the calculation, and equally F is the MAPP, W is the this one, and pressure is the 300, 8 minus 82. P is the F for a surface. The last one. W is the Fs, and equally F divided A is a P pressure, and delta W, and P is the F for A is the F P. This is the last one. Thank you. This is my site. It's a complete information. Thank you.